What's going on, pranksters? Welcome back to another simple yet epic gaming setup sponsored by Harry's. More on that in just a bit. So in this video I will be putting together a setup for my Xbox Series X. So all the items that you see right here will be part of that setup. And as far as the giveaway for this video, listen up. If this video happens to get 1000 likes, I will be giving away a Torras Coolify personal air conditioner that you can wear around your neck, worth $150. And to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below. It also helps if you follow me on Instagram at real_Nextraker. I might also choose the winner from the comments there, so it's definitely worth following me. Good luck, pranksters! When it comes to shaving, which I know can seem like an easy task, what's your favorite part about it? Are you constantly unhappy with the quality of your razors? Well, for me, my favorite part is getting the results I want, but it doesn't always happen because of how bad most razors are. Well, good thing I ran into Harry's. Harry's is a personal care brand that delivers a close, comfortable shave at a fair price. Actually as low as $2 per blade refill. I personally love the foaming gel from Harry's. Just makes for a soft and gentle shave, even for the most sensitive skin. You too can try Harry's by redeeming your free trial set for just $3 when you go to harrys.com/nextraker. With that, you'll get a 5-blade razor, weight handle, a blade cover, and Harry's foaming shave gel. It's a great deal, so I recommend you jump on it while supplies last, and just know that 1% of Harry's global sales support great causes such as mental health care for those in need. Again guys, redeem your trial set by clicking on the link in the description. When putting a setup together, we always have to start with the largest item, and that is the desk. So I chose to go with this RGB gaming desk from Aki. It provides all the basics that we need, such as a hook for the headphones, and on the opposite end of the desk there is a drink holder as well. For cable management, there are 2 openings on the back. By plugging the USB cable that's attached to the desk, the light show begins on the sides. This definitely makes the desk stand out even more. On the center of the desk, this custom Next Gaming Zone mat will be laid out. Overall, it just makes the desk surface less plain. My 21-inch Ozai monitor took its place right in the middle on the back. The guest of honor, my Xbox Series X, I placed on the left side of the monitor. It looks great, doesn't it? For sound, my NJSJ RGB gaming speakers will not only provide great audio, but also contribute to the light show. They really do stand out. My Maxnomic gaming chair also makes an appearance here. Of course, you can see that it has my custom logo, but more importantly, it provides the great comfort needed for long hours of gameplay. I've had this Xbox lamp for a while, and I thought it was appropriate for this setup since it does feature the Xbox Series X. Initially, I was gonna go with this small $10 twin turbo personal fan, but I knew I needed something way more powerful, so I went with the following item. Check it out guys, this is the Coolify hands-free personal air conditioner from Torras. This is the first time that I actually ever unboxed something as awesome as this gadget. The first thing I noticed as soon as I popped open the box was the giant black Easter egg. No guys, I'm just kidding. It's no Easter egg, that's just the epic packaging that Torras provided with the air conditioner. So let's go ahead and crack open the shell, and so far at this point I was thinking, wow, I'm getting some headphones, because the protective cover sure does make it look like that's what's underneath it. Once I pulled that out, I was still thinking there was a pair of headphones in there. So basically here guys, we get the user guide, which does come with a lot of helpful information about the product. Underneath that, we get a white USB to USB-C cable. That is what we'll be using for charging purposes. And once fully charged, this personal AC can run for 8 consecutive hours on its lowest speed. With this, we also get a carrying pouch, which to me does look like a long fancy sock. Now we finally get to the Coolify personal AC, and again, just by looking at it, you would think it's a pair of headphones, but believe me guys, if you live in a hot area, for example me, I live in Phoenix, a pair of these during summertime will be essential to staying cool. This is a wearable personal air conditioner that you can take anywhere. It's very fashionable, hands-free, and very lightweight, so it won't strain your neck when you wear it. Its bladeless design won't allow for your hair to be entangled within the mechanism of the AC. has 3 adjustable speeds. My preference is to keep it at medium, and with its double vent design, provides 360 degrees of cooling. It cools down by 10 to 15 degrees in just 3 fast seconds. So it's well worth the 150 bucks these go for on Amazon. I have provided links in the description if you want to get your own. Just look at Wolfo here. He is gonna be gaming while literally chilling on the chair thanks to the Torras Coolify personal air conditioner. And just like I said guys at the start of this video, I will be giving away a pair of these once this video gets 1,000 likes. The last addition to this setup was these Novastella floodlights. These are meant for outdoors, but since they are LED, they don't really overheat, so I placed them under the desk for even more lighting. I added a few snacks on the desk, and our simple yet epic gaming setup is now complete. We are ready to game for hours, guys. Again, this is pretty basic, but still would give anybody the feeling of being a pro gamer just by having a neat and organized gaming station like this one. And just a heads up, lately I've been working on brand new how to sneak food into class videos, and so I shopped at my local Walmart and dollar stores for the latest back to school supplies and snacks. And the footage that you're seeing right now was made possible with the help of my brand new phone and gimbal. So first, allow me to introduce you guys to the Realme GT 5G smartphone. You may or may not have heard of this flagship phone killer. It's the latest release by Realme. So real quick, I'm gonna be unboxing it for you guys. As soon as I popped off the top, I was greeted by a box with a message that read, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." On the back of the box there was a pin to safely pop out the SIM card tray. Included in that box there was also a clear silicone phone case, which is not something most flagship phones such as the iPhone come with. It felt very flexible, and this thing looked like it was molded perfectly to fit the Realme GT 5G phone. With this phone I also got a USB to USB-C cable. I'm always happy when I get new devices that power through USB-C. Another epic bonus here guys, underneath the phone there was a 65 watt super dart charger. Man, you just don't get these with the new phones these days. The 65 watt super dart charger was the icing on the cake. That means that this phone can fully charge from 0 to 100% in 35 minutes or less. That is pretty fast. Check it out pranksters, this is the Realme GT phone, and before I even unwrapped it, I noticed that this phone had Touch ID capabilities, which is my preferred way to access my phone. What's cool about this phone is that it also has face recognition as well as a PIN number to unlock the phone. Anyway guys, my phone is all yellow on the back with a glossy black racing stripe that runs all the way up to the Sony 64MP triple lens camera, which you will see in action later on in this video. This phone is super lightweight and thin, only weighs 186 grams or 6.5 ounces. Just look at those chrome edges. Out of all the features on the phone's exterior, I was happy to see the 3.5mm audio input. You just don't see these anymore. So yeah pranksters, as soon as I turned on the phone and linked it up to my Wi-Fi, I got a weather alert message. Yes, they are annoying, but it just goes to show that this phone was fully up to date with all the necessary specs. Setting up was easy, went through the process rather quickly, and once it was fully set up and I had signed into my Google account, the phone was ready to be put into use. First thing I did guys, since I'm all about gaming, I downloaded Asphalt from the app market. I just quickly wanted to test out the phone's gaming capabilities. Now here's the thing, integrated into this phone is the Snapdragon 888 processor, which is what you want for gaming and other fast-paced functions that you need a speedy phone for. As you can see, the overall display screen is pretty epic. It features a 4.3 Super AMOLED full screen and high resolution with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. Only downside is that it downgrades to half of that for gaming, but nonetheless it is very impressive, especially with the 1000 nits of brightness. Another great reason that this phone is awesome for gaming is its durability for long hours of gameplay, made possible by its stainless steel vapor cooling system. The main reason why I wanted to use this phone is for its camera and to take it with me shopping so I can capture some really good footage as I made my purchases. So I went ahead and made good use of the Sony triple lens camera on this phone, just exactly what I needed. For this video, I was also able to partner up with Hohem to try out the new iSteady X2 phone gimbal. Check it out guys, this nicely packed box contains it inside, so let's go ahead and remove the plastic wrapper. The back of the box lets us know what to expect inside, so let's find out. And just like that, we can lift up the flap to have full access to our gimbal. Make the moment, enjoy it, that is Hohem's slogan. With this kit, we get a fine padded carrying pouch, not just for portability but also protection as well. A wrist strap was also included here. The tiny but efficient remote control is very convenient as it allows us to switch modes, pan and zoom, and pretty much have full access to the gimbal from afar. The small tripod provided not only lets us place the gimbal anywhere we want, but also acts as an extension for the handle. Again, I was happy to see that this gimbal's charging input was USB-C, and so the right cable can be found inside this box as well. What's cool about that charging input is that you can also charge your phone if you don't have a charger available. Now for the gimbal itself, it's pretty much all white with the exception of the beige-like trim on the handle. This is a budget gimbal, but at the same time, when I held it, it felt more than just that. Seemed pretty sturdy and not flimsy at all. The handle controls all the functions as that's where all the buttons are. At the very bottom, we have the input for the tripod that twists on. Some Hohem branding as you see right there. Then we reach the main control section where we have 4 light indicators which come in very handy. We have the on and off button, the shutter button. There's also a large joystick which became my best friend as it allowed me to maneuver the phone as I pleased. On the left side there is a zoom slider, and just so you guys know, you do have to download the Hohem Pro app to get the best out of this gimbal. It's available on all iOS and Android devices. Setting up isn't hard at all. Hohem actually has step-by-step instructions in the form of stickers that help you set up this gimbal. It's just a matter of loosening some parts, twisting others, and tightening when needed. Of course, my phone choice for this example will be the Realme GT 5G phone. As you can see, you can do a lot with this iSteady X2 Gimbal. Great for home use as well as outdoors. If you want to get those amazing shots without spending a lot of money, get yourself something like this. Affordable but very dependable. I took it to Walmart and I was able to get the clips that I needed for my upcoming how to sneak food into class videos. So yeah, I highly recommend this gimbal. Links for all the products that I showed you in this video will be listed in the description guys. And that pretty much does it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as always, and please feel free to like this video and leave comments below. Remember, I do have a giveaway going on. At 1,000 likes, I will be giving away a Torras Coolify personal air conditioner. Thanks for stopping by, pranksters. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.